Hey y'all, 72 volt Angel here with another video again. Today I'm gonna show y'all how to tune the Tuttio soliel. The first thing you want to do is plug this dongle into this white input right here. Then you want to make sure your dongle is blinking red a couple times, and then you want to go either to your phone or to your Android and search up this app, Far Driver. Once the app is downloaded, you just want to open it. Then you're want to go up here to your controller, and then for an example, it's gonna pop up. You're gonna want to press it, connect, boom, connect it. Then you just want to go over here to Open Pro NBLE. You want to open it. So I already have the tune, but I'm gonna pull up some settings up here in the video so y'all can apply them. The settings should at least make you go 45 plus. Once all the settings and the tune is applied, you just want to go down here to where it says save, and then you just want to press save, and then it's gonna save. Then you just want to press return simple mode, and then it should be applied. These are the results.